everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I'm at the Dollar Tree, and I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to be showing you some things you can buy at the Dollar Tree to do a 72-hour survival kit, just in case there's a tornado or something happens that you have to stay in your house or go somewhere else for 72 hours that you can grab and take with you. First of all, you need to build yourself a good first aid kit or buy one. But if you're going to build one, you can build your own first aid kit right here from items from the Dollar Tree. They have Band-Aids. They have calamine lotion and same thing as Neosporin. But and they also have anti-itch cream. They have Rolaids. They have all the things that you would need. Anti-itch. They have super glue, which sounds silly, but if you get cut real bad, you can use this to put a wound together. But you also need staples like toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, sold here at the Dollar Tree, shower gel, toilet paper. Make sure you get enough for everybody in your household for 72 hours. And make sure you get enough bottled water, which they also sell it here, a gallon per person per day. And don't forget to get enough for your animals and your fur babies, because they drink water too. And if you're going to cook with some water, add a little more. Oh, something I use all the time, tissues. You got to have tissues.
Well, the women need this stuff too.
Oh, and don't forget the feminine products, because you know that always happens at the worst time. And cough drops. You always get stressed out and start the coughing. Okay. And you can't have an emergency kit without bleach cleaning supplies. Bleach wipes, bleach hand sanitizers, or make your own hand sanitizer. And Ziploc bags. I like to put my shampoos and some of the cleaning supplies so they don't get on your clothes, because you'll have to take clothes for 72 hours because you ain't going to want to stay in the same outfit for 3 days. So I like to take this and put those in there so they don't leak on your clothes. Plastic, because you never know when you need it. And my favorite, my husband says I collect them, tarps, because these comes in handy.
Well, that can be for human waste too if the toilet don't work.
If your toilet doesn't work,
or
if you need to carry items, those works really well. And don't forget to make sure you have silverware, paper plates, paper bowls, something to eat with.
Well, you could show napkins.
Napkins.
We didn't show paper
towels.
There it is there.
Food. This is what most people think of.
Water.
But you have to have water, and you have to have a way to heat it.
Boil it.
So a lot of people would rather stick to something that they could just open up the can. Like peaches and pears and ravioli. You can eat it unheated or have an open fire and heat it over that. So, but the only thing is, with the soups and stuff, they don't have a good shelf life. So you're better off with canned meats. Like something like this. And make sure if you're gonna heat something, make sure to have something you can heat it with. You could put this on an open fire. Make sure to have batteries and flashlights and matches.
They can get stuff like this.
And you can get stuff like this.
But if you got water and you can make pancakes, but you need syrup if you got water.
But yeah, it's just some ideas and of things that you might need for a survival kit. And I'm going to have a list of what the government recommends for a survival kit for 72 hours. The bleach can be used for water conditioning. And make sure to not forget your children. No, don't leave them at home. That's not what I mean. Don't forget to bring stuff for them. Diapers, wipes. Board games. Deck of cards. Something for them to do. Oh, and we can't forget my favorite. My Bandit and my Trixie and my Oscar Mayer. We can't forget their dog food, their leashes, their harnesses, and water for them, because they're not going anywhere that I'm not going.
I can keep juice on here too.
Yeah, and I will leave a list of all the things recommended, and you will be surprised. Oh, matches and lighters.
Yeah.
Of all the things you could find right here at the Dollar Tree to create an inexpensive gloves, all the things you can find, can opener, knife, which I have one in here, I forgot to show you. There's a knife and a can opener. I have a knife and a can opener. And it's all found here at the Dollar. You can find all that stuff here at the Dollar Tree. And just in case, you know, we have tornadoes season coming up. And all this other things that's happening right now. And it's nice to think about, how are you going to get prepared? What do you need to do? Time to spruce up. If you have a 72-hour survival kit, it's time to spruce it up and make sure it's
Dog and cat food.
It's okay, and you have everything. And this is ideas from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be going to the General Dollar and see if they have other things there. Bye.